Welcome to our channel. Today we how to automate app tracking with Google Analytics step by step clearly. To begin automating app tracking with Google Analytics, first, ensure you have a Google Analytics account set up. Log into your Google Analytics account and navigate to the Admin section. In the Admin panel, select the property for the app you want to track. Click on Data Streams under the Property settings. Choose your app data stream or create a new one if necessary. Next, note the measurement ID provided for your app data stream. Download the Google Analytics SDK for your specific app platform, either Android or iOS. For Android, add the Google Analytics dependency to your build.gradle file. For iOS, use CocoaPods to install the Google Analytics library. Integrate the SDK into your app's code following the official Google Analytics documentation. Initialize the Google Analytics instance in your app's main activity or app delegate. Make sure to include the measurement ID in the initialization code. To track user interactions, identify key events you want to monitor. Implement event tracking by using the appropriate methods provided by the SDK. For example, log button clicks or screen views as events in the app. Test the tracking by running your app and simulating the user interactions. Verify that the data is being sent to Google Analytics in real time. Once testing is complete, publish your app update to reflect the changes. Lastly, review your Google Analytics dashboard to analyze the automated tracking data. Regularly check the reports to understand user behavior and app performance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.